Hi friends, in this video I would show what accessories came with this beautiful indoor helicopter. This is 4-channel helicopter. 4-channel basically means that it has additional two moves. Basically it will go forward, it will come backward, it will move towards left, it will move towards right, and then it will, in addition to all these movements, up and down everybody knows, in addition to those movements, it also will move hover to left and then hover to right. I'll show that in the second part of my video when I demonstrate the flight of this helicopter. Okay, it has a manual, and this manual is pretty detailed. It is in English, so it has a detailed English manual. It is pretty good, comes in handy. Then it comes with flip screwdriver. This is basically used to unscrew the battery compartment. So it takes 6 batteries, 6 double A batteries, and then it comes with the charging cable, and this cable enters here. There is a small hole behind, and this is good. Now you can plug this part to any USB charger, and it will show a red color. Basically means it is charging. When the red light is off, that means it is completely charged. There is a charging cable here as well in the remote, but this will charge using the batteries, so this is not advisable to do, otherwise you'll lose your battery power. And this helicopter comes with the two spare wings, two spare main wings, and these are the wings that are being used in the side panel, and this one is the tail wing. So these are really useful because initially you might hit the helicopter wing and it might break, but these are pretty strong, so they don't usually easily break, but if they break, then you can use the spare wings and it is good to flight again. And in the controller, in this controller, so it works in a different frequency. This is basically means if you have more than one helicopter and people are flying more than one helicopter in the same room, then the other guy should fly his helicopter or her helicopter in other frequency mode so that they don't mingle. The frequency of this helicopter won't mingle with the other one. So this is basically to move the helicopter high and low, and to hover right, you need to move it like this, and to make it left, hover it left, you need to move it like this. And this is basically to move flight in left, right, and moving forward and backward. This button is for acceleration, as it says. As it says, it is for acceleration. And acceleration basically means if you move forward and press this, it will move really fast, though I hardly use it. And this demo button is pretty nice. This is like first time I'm seeing in any helicopter. So this, if you press this when the helicopter is in air, it will automatically starts doing its own movements, left, right, forward, backward, just to demo you how it is. Okay, so now we are good to have a flight. Thank you. Hi friends, so first we will switch on the helicopter, and then let's switch on the controller. So the light is solid, it means that they are in sync, and make sure that this throttle is in the lower, otherwise it will not get in sync. So let's test it out. So in the beginning we might have to tune it a bit. See, my helicopter is rotating a bit to the left, so I'll move it little right. Okay, now moving little to the left. Okay, now I'll move little to right. This is left and this is right. Okay folks, now I will make it to demo mode. I will just press the demo button. See, it is automatically doing itself. I am just maintaining the height. See, it is doing itself. The hovering part.